Google giving me the wrong information about this plant. Extended family or anyone out there, can you tell me the name of this plant? Yeah, that would be helpful. So extended family, welcome to another video. Wagwan. Yeah man, wagwan meaning I'm asking you what's up or how are you? Yeah man, just a Jamaican slang, wagwan. Yeah, but I'm just asking you how are you? What have you been up to? So in today's video, as you see the title, I'm asking if anyone out there know the name of this plant. Yeah. Now in this bath, I used to put like things in there for mulch, things out of the kitchen. So at first I was wondering if it's a beetroot plant. Yeah, maybe because of the red veins and stuff like that. I'm wondering if it's something like reddish, you know? So I actually dig it out. Yeah, just to find out what is it. Yeah, but the only thing I find in there, in between the plant, is a turmeric plant. But it's not a turmeric plant, because this is what a turmeric plant look like. No, yeah, so I'm throwing the question out there to my extended family. Yeah, can you identify this plant? Is there someone that you can ask what's the name of the plant? Yeah, that would be helpful to Herbalawes, because yeah, we learn from each other. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do away with it right now. I'm gonna put it back in the soil until I can identify what device is. So extended family, cut down this banana tree, cause it now go out with nothing. It just a suck energy from these two that want to go on with something. So that I it. Yeah, chop up this and you know. Extended family. Question. Are you having the same problem like other people complain that you're not getting a notification when I drop a video? If yes, probably you need to notification, click on all. So if you are having that problem, I could see if we can work it out. I'm going to use another page to do it. So right here is the Herbalawes page. So I'm gonna unsubscribe from the page. Yeah? So right here now, I'm gonna subscribe. Yeah? So I subscribe to the page. Yeah. So I'm going click on the bell. And when I click on the bell, I could do it again. So once you are subscribed to the page, you click on the bell. Once you click on the bell, then the notification will come right here. So when the notification come right here, it said none, personalize, or all. Yeah, you click on all. So once you click on all, then once I drop a video, you will get the notification. Sight. So other than that issue, what are you up to? Herbalawes up to a whole heap of thing. Yeah? If you watch previous video, you would realize that I said my grandmother had passed away. Yeah? She lived a long life. Yeah, but we still lost a great soul. Yeah man, still lost a great soul. Still miss her cause she am my number one fan. And she's my beloved and will always be my beloved. Yeah man, so I'm trying to be strong and hold on in there. So right here, me have some tomato. Yeah? But me tell you what them one. I think this tomato they call it micro. Micro, me could see what I go on. And this one named micro tomato. It called Pinocho. Yeah. Or some people call it jade cherry tomato. Yeah man, so let me show you what I go on. Yeah, this is what it name. So see it here? Two of them ripe can pick too. You know? So that's actually the first two tomato I get off of it. I don't know if they should be bigger. Yeah. Yeah. So maybe the soil needs some more nutrients. But that's what I'm up to. I have some red callaloo. Yeah, that's doing well too. Yeah man, doing well, doing well, doing well. Just realized that this pepper tree is blossoming. Yeah, good look, good look. Yeah man, it's actually blossoming. Yeah. But over here, yeah man, I have a lot of pepper. Yeah. And I've been supplying myself with pepper. Yeah, for the longest while. Yeah. Now I have to really buy the pepper at the market or the supermarket. Because my pepper tree them are going good. Yeah man, my pepper tree are going well. You know, most of these that are here now are very small. But them are going well. See one big one, yeah? Yeah. And them pepper, yeah? Yeah man, them pepper, yeah. Hot. Woo. Real Scotch bonnet, you know? Them pepper, yeah, hot. I've been doing well with pepper. Yeah man. Doing well with red callaloo here. This is another patch. A red callaloo. Yeah man, so. Doing real well, you know? Yeah. Doing real well. Yeah man, and that's a patch of Panadol plant. By now, if you're also watching the previous videos, you realize that Herbalawes also planting his own callaloo. Yeah man, so it's a tall while now. I don't buy any callaloo at the market or supermarket or on the road because I have my own supplies. Yeah, I have callaloo that I share with people too. Yeah, I also did. You can check me out on Instagram at the same handle Herbalawes. That's Herbalawes. I go on with a bag of thing over the Instagram there, man. I go on with a bag of thing on the gram. So you can check me out on the gram. You can also check me out on TikTok. Yeah. Yeah man, but that handle is Laws of Attraction. Cause my name is actually Laws, so that's Lawes of Attraction. Yeah. Check me out over there too. Go on with a bag of things over there, so go on with a bag of things on the ground. So this is where my callaloo bed look like. Yeah man, I go on with a bag of things. Yeah, these callaloo them soft and you know delicate. Yeah, and I also have my herb plants them. Yeah, them are going good. This is a marjoram. Also, it's been a while I'm trying to catch some good rosemary, and they are doing well. I have my basil plants and thing. Over here I have my Panadol plant. Yeah, and I have some tomato plants right here, which I've got a lot of tomato from this plant. Yeah. Go on good man, I get a whole heap of tomato from this plant. Yeah man. Yeah, eucalyptus plant. I go on good. Yeah. Same basil I showed you over there a while ago. But this, is called sweet basil. Yeah, so the difference between this and this one leaf is a bit bigger than this one. Yeah, man. So, and you know we have to have some marigold plant nearby. Yeah, man. We have some black mint over here. Yeah, man. So the garden are going good. We have some fresh cut over there. Yeah, man. We ram goat dash along here. Yeah. And we store water here. Yeah, man. We also have a tank over there. Yeah, man. So, yeah. I go on with a bag of things. I go on with a bag of things. This is called holy basil. Yeah. This is another black mint panadol. Yeah. So we are going with a bag of things. Yeah, man. Basil. I love basil plants. And these are my lemongrass. You know, I have some lemongrass over there so too. Yeah. But most of all, we have a big patch of lemongrass over here. Yeah, man. Whole heap of lemongrass over here. And yeah, if you go over Instagram and check me out, you will see things that I'm going on with. You know, yeah, I am still in preparation in packaging my own herb plants, like for lemongrass. Over Instagram, you will see me doing some snippets or doing some videos, you know, showing the package that I'll put out to the public coming soon. Yeah, man. So that's the bugger thing where I and I are going with. This is an orange tree. Yeah, man. Big patch of panadol and sitting. Yeah, so we are going with a bugger. A bugger things. Yeah. So, yeah, a couple months ago I had some corn here, but them beer we reap, we move them and we put some other things here. So this is a turmeric plant, another small banana, a root of cane here, you know. So yeah, man, we are going with a bag of things, and as before we say, we use what we have till we get what we want. So we use tires here, we use a old stove here, which yeah, holds herb like, you know, this oregano, and also all the vervain plant. So in this old stove we have oregano, we have vervain. Yeah, man, I need to plant back this turmeric plant. Yeah, but over here, yeah, the main focus on the video is asking if anybody know the name of this plant. Yeah, and then, you know, a question that many people ask, why are they not seeing, yeah, the notification for the video? Yeah, so I explain all of that. Yeah, yeah, man. So I have a one root of carrot here. Yeah, man, this is celery. Yeah, and this is strawberry. Yeah, man. So Herbalawes I go on with himself, and I go on with a bag of thing. Yeah, so this is really just an update video to have an understanding of, you know, some people complaining that they not getting the notification when the video drop. So I show it. I may put a snippet on the video to show, you know, put in an arrow what you should click on. Yeah, man, and thank you always for the support. Appreciate your presence. Yeah, man, see you in another episode. And before now, I will drop videos on Sunday. Also tell me in the comment section if you enjoy the videos on Sundays alone or you need more video. Put it in the comment section, let me know. Herbalawes, extended family. Love you all. Out. Boy, we seems to not get a lot of sun today. Look like a misty day, you know, misty morning. Yeah. So I'm going to put some fertilizer in this, and this is foul manure. Yeah, man. And as I say, once you subscribe, you just click the bell. And when the notification come up, you just click all. So everything Herbalawes drop, yeah, you will get it. You don't have to pay for it. It's free of cost. Yeah, man, that's the support. That's the only support you're giving Herbalawes.